This will be a speed test between the Google Pixel 4 XL versus the Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus. Now they both have the Snapdragon 855, 6 gigs of RAM on the Pixel 4 XL. The Galaxy S10 Plus, this one has 8 gigs of RAM. Pixel 4 XL is on its latest version of Android 10. Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus on Android 9 with its latest version of the One UI overlay. I'm gonna go ahead and turn on both at the same time, see which one has the faster boot up. Now on a side note, I think the Pixel 4 XL will win this. This phone boots up really quickly, but you never know. Let's have a look right now. Let's go. And as you can see, I'm gonna give the boot up win to the Pixel 4 XL. And we are in! All right, I'm gonna go ahead and swipe over to where all the apps are. And as you can see, no recent apps on both phones. All apps, all caches have been cleared. Browsers have been cleared when we do the browsing test. So let's get started by tapping the phone app. Oh, very close. I think that was a draw. Messages. Ooh, I think that was another draw. The camera. I'm gonna go ahead and do it like this so you can see the viewfinder. Oh, very close. Maybe the 4 XL by a little bit. Slow down the video for me on YouTube. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and open the clock app on both. And very close. Both phones are neck and neck. And then we have the browsers, Chrome and Samsung Internet. Go. A little bit faster on the Pixel. All right, let's go ahead and do a search for, I don't know. Let's go to Samsung. And then go. Interesting. What is this? No thanks on that. And then we'll click on this. Okay, let me know in the comments. Galaxy Fold, go. Ooh, man, I can't really tell, man. Pinch to zoom so you can see. Nice and fast on the S10 Plus. However, on the Pixel, and I can't pinch to zoom on the Pixel. How unfortunate. I wanted to check out the 90 Hz display. Let's go to Verge right now. Whoops. Yeah. Verge with a V. I did it again. My gosh. Verge with a V. There you go. Let's check it out. Oops, mistouch. All right, take this with a grain of salt. And then let's see, we'll just go ahead and click on this one. Ooh, nice and fast on the Pixel. Pinch to zoom on this again, and then can we do it here? Yes, we can. And oh yeah, 90 Hz display on the Pixel 4 XL, nice and smooth. We'll go ahead and leave it there. Calculator. Man, neck and neck. This one, a little bit faster on the Pixel. Let's see. My favorite app, as you can see. And then we'll click on this one. We'll install it. Nope. Never. Open this one. Oh, so close. Man, these two are neck and neck. Look at that. Practically the same. And this one, and again, very close. Wow. Whew. Man, I gotta give it to the Pixel though. This year, it's pretty quick. They put 6 gigs of RAM on the Pixel 4 XL for this year, and the phone needs it. I see a difference. Much faster performance this year. Like last year's Pixel 3 XL, that phone needed like 6 gigs of RAM, and it lagged in these speed tests. Now with 6 gigs of RAM on the 4 XL, I see a difference. hanging with the S10 here, so you can see. And look at that. Not too far behind, really, is the Pixel. Just have a look for yourself. But anyway, let's keep going. I'm talking too much. We have Angry Birds 2 logging in on both phones. And I think the S10 a little bit ahead here, so you can see. And we'll give the win to the S10 here. As you can see, the Pixel is pretty much right there. Open this one. Gameloft. Oh. S10 tiny bit ahead. Will the 4XL catch it? Let's find out. Nope. We'll give the win to the S10, but again, as you can see, Pixel is right there. Whoops, mistouched a little bit on that one. And then we'll go ahead and open the PUBG. Of course, gotta check out PUBG. Mandatory game. Always have to check this one out. Oh, S10. But again, the Pixel's right there. Can it overtake it? Oh, and it does, and give the win to the 4XL. So you can see, I'm telling you, I think the 6 gigs of RAM is really making a difference. What's all this? Get rid of all this, skip, get rid of all that. And then Photoshop Express. And then let's see, it's this image right here. This is an 8K image I have on both phones. I'm gonna go ahead and just choose the free one, and then we'll choose Vibrant. I'm gonna jack this up all the way. Oh, look at that effect. Click on that, and then, ooh, nice and fast. Save the gallery on both, see which one does it faster. And then let's find out. And a little bit faster on the S10 Plus. And Pixel, there you go. Twitter, S10, IG, Thai, WhatsApp, whoo, so close, Snapchat. Oh, I think that was the Pixel 4 XL. All right, let's take a look at the multitasking of both phones. Everything's in the background, so you can see. So let's just run through these apps again. Now, like I said earlier, this year, the Pixel phone, Pixel 4 XL, has 6 gigs of RAM now. So let's see if it makes a difference. Let's see, Instagram, and no issues yet. Let's see how it does in the games, the Pixel. I'm curious. Okay, here we go. PUBG still there on the Pixel. All right. I have a feeling the S10 will just go through these with no problem, but the Pixel, I'm a little bit curious. Okay, let's see how this phone does. Okay, looking good so far. Angry Birds 2, kept it right there so you can see. And then we do have the Temple Run. Paused and ready to resume on both phones. Mario Run, Mario time on both. No issues. eBay, right there. Ooh, a little bit faster than the S10 Plus actually. Nice. And then, okay, a little bit of a lag on the Pixel here so you can see. And what is happening to the Pixel? What is happening? Okay, we'll just leave it like that. And then Play Store, same place. Calculator, same place. A little bit of a stutter on the left. And then the Pixel, okay, a little bit of a lag there. Not too bad though. The clock, still running in the background. And then the camera, we'll go ahead and do it like this. A little bit faster on the S10. Messages, faster on the Pixel. And the phone app. Boom. So let me know in the comments below what you thought about this matchup. Are you on hashtag Team Pixel, rocking your brand spanking new Google Pixel 4 XL? If you have a Pixel 3a, the Pixel 3, a Pixel 2, the original Pixel, or even a Nexus 6P from back in the day, are you gonna switch to the Pixel 4 XL? Or are you a Samsung Knight, rocking your Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus? Are you gonna keep this phone or switch to the badass Galaxy Note 10 Plus? Or are you a baller? Or are you a baller? Or are you a baller with a Galaxy Fold? Let me know in the comments down below. Thanks for watching. Peace out.